Hi there, welcome to Laura and Lori's cooking show. And wait a minute, honey, sit down. We got an audience looking at you. Can you say hi to them? And what are we going to make today?
Chili.
Chili? What kind of chili?
Beef.
No.
Chicken beef.
No, not chicken beef. We're going to make keto chicken chili. So come on over and see what ingredients we need. Laura, wait a minute until we get over there. First, we're going to need 2 to 3 pounds of chicken breast, cut up and cooked in 3 tablespoons of Kerrygold butter. Oh, and I see she put some celery in there. How nice of her. And then we're going to have 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and we are going to brown 2 stalks of celery, a half of a large green pepper, 2/3 of a red pepper, chop them up, and then 1 medium sweet onion. Okay, go ahead and show that, hon. And then you're going to need, can you show them what's in your hand? We're going to need 2 teaspoons of cumin. Can you pick up that one?
Yeah.
1 teaspoon of chili powder. A pinch or so of the crushed red pepper, depending on how hot you're going to want your chili. And then we're going to need some sea salt and pepper. And then can you pick up the next one? 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And then that one. 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper. Okay. And then, yep, this is the kind of salt we use to taste. That and pepper. And then this here, which we aren't going to pick up because I've already opened it up, is unsweetened coconut milk. We're going to need a cup of that. And then over here, we don't use cornstarch, so we're going to use this, and we're going to use about a tablespoon or so. We're going to have to sort of eyeball it. And then we're going to have 2 to 4 cups of chicken broth, and the rest of it we'll substitute for water. So here we go. I had already pre-prepped for this cooking. And the reason why we're making chili today is because what did it do today? What did it do today? It snowed? It snowed. Today was the first day it snowed. And what's the day today? October what? October 20th. And it snowed already in October. So we need chili to warm us up, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So while that conversation was going on, this coconut oil was melting. And we're going to add in the celery. Put the whole celery in there, dear. Can you please stand properly? Okay, please stand properly.
Hi.
Come on, stand properly. Do you want to put the whole bowl in? Why don't we just put the whole bowl in?
I'll do it.
Okay, you take it out of the bowl. There. Okay, now how about the green pepper? Let's put the green pepper in next. Here, go ahead. Okay, what about the red pepper? Okay, go ahead. Okay, and then we have the onion. Okay, gentle. Put it in gentle, okay? Yeah, we have to be gentle. You sort of cook with a gusto, you know, just throwing food here and there. You don't want to be messy like Martha Stewart or someone, do you? Okay. Here we go, and let's get the rest of the onion in there. And then, not the spices yet, dear. Not the spices yet. Now you know what we're going to do? No, put them all down for me, please. We are going to get a spoon here. And then, see, we have to gentle. Look at Mama. See, gentle. Okay, yep, you can. Gentle. All right, until it gets all brown. Good job. Okay, so now we're just going to take a little bit of our liquid that we're going to be using for the soup. Okay, that's good enough, hon. Leave that there. I'll let you do this part, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to start off with 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
of the gum here.
Hey, Mama.
This is the only one that doesn't have cornstarch. I mean, doesn't have carbohydrates. Cornstarch has carbohydrates, so if you're on keto, you can't use it. Okay, very good. Now, we're going to take the whisk. You want to make sure there's no lumps. Okay, I'll let you help. Just a minute. This acts as a thickener, this gum, so...
I'll help you,
Trying to look here and see if there's any big pieces of chunks. There's just one or two little ones. Okay, go ahead and stir it. And while she's doing that, I'll check on the vegetable sauteing here. Okay, so you hold on to this, and while we're waiting for the vegetables and that, hold on careful. We're going to pour 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk. Good job. Now let's wait. Let's wait a minute. We're going to pour that into the pot. Okay, so as you can see, our vegetables have been sauteing 3 to 5 minutes, and they're really nice. Really nice color there. Now we're going to go back to our chicken, though. And, excuse you, honey. Yeah, I know. Can you wait? Can you wait? I need to grab over here the chicken broth that we have the gum substitute in. As you can see, it's a little bit thick. Yes, you can. You can do the next cup, okay? Next cup I have to pour in. So I have that going there, and I have the chicken in there, and this is our base. Can you say base? Base. And now we're going to pour 2 more. Yep, now we're going to pour some more chicken broth in here. And whatever we're short, we're just going to make up with a little bit of water. So we're short just a little. Let me get some water here. Go ahead. You pour that in. Be very careful. It's heavy. Okay. You're going to need 2 hands, I think. Got it? Okay, here we go. Good job. Good job. Now we're going to add the coconut milk. Okay, let's be careful. Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's peeping. It's peeping. Mama?
It's peeing?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think it's peeing. I think you just spilled it on the counter. You're quite funny. So, folks, this is what happens when you cook with a 4-year-old, okay? You get really, okay, good to the last drop, she says. No more, please. You get very interesting things going on. So now it's getting thicker. It should look about like this. All right, and now we're going to put in our seasonings. Honey, can you please sit in your chair properly? Thank you. Okay, you can help put this in, all right? So,
Nice.
nice. You're happy? Okay, let's start with the less powders first, okay? Because we don't want the red one in there. Okay, here? No. So here we got some nice chunks in here. Okay, so this here is it's okay. That's onion powder. Go ahead, stick it in. Okay, remember, gentle. Remember, gentle. We aren't playing football, okay? Footballs we throw. Cooking, we're gentle. Okay? Here you go. Put this one in. This is the garlic powder. Thank you. This is a pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to be a little less generous with that. You can always add more salt if you need it, but no, go ahead and put the whole thing in here, honey.
Okay, Mom.
Put the whole thing in there. Go ahead. Okay, and now we've got the chili powder.
Ew, yucky.
No, this is what makes it good.
It's hot.
You are hot. You're right, it is hot, but you like hot, remember? There.
Why?
Okay, now let's stir this one up first. Okay, now please sit back on your chair. I don't want you to get burnt, okay? When you sit on the counter, it's not good. You could fall, you could get burnt. Remember in cooking, we learned safety, right? Say safety first. Yeah, safety first. Okay, red crushed pepper. This one here, we just want how much ever sprinkles you want. I'll tell you what, I'll let you do the black pepper. Here, now you do the black pepper. Put the black pepper in there. Go ahead. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, baby. Shake it. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Hey, not on the vegetables. Here. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, and now we have one more thing left. The cumin. You want to grab the cumin? All right. Okay, now this one here we need 2. Yep, 2 teaspoons we're going to put in. Okay, and this is a teaspoon. Can you please sit back in your chair? Please sit back in your chair. If you want to dump this in, you got to be sitting.
One.
Okay, here. Go ahead. Thank you. Okay, one more. That was 1. Yeah, because this is 1.5. So, okay, go ahead. Stick this in. Good, good going, Maynard. Look at that. See? See, this is why you're gentle. Look at. Okay. All right, never mind about that. Okay, sit down. Sit down, and now we're going to add our vegetables. After we get this all blended up, really good. Really, 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 really good.
I'm tired.
Then we're going to take the vegetables. We're going to add them in there, and then I'm going to let you stir the pot, okay? All right? And then we're going to let it cook for a little bit. We're going to let it simmer for a little bit. And while it's simmering, we're going to make Daddy's noodles, because Daddy likes to have noodles with any kind of chili, whether it's white, red, or whatever. You too? Okay. Go ahead and stir. Go ahead and stir that chili up. Does it look pretty?
No, I'm done.
Does this look pretty? Yes? Okay.
I'm done with church.
And everybody, that's our little 7-month-old boy in the background. So as you can see, he can't wait to get in the kitchen and start helping us cook in a couple of years. All right, we're going to let this simmer for a couple of minutes and we'll come right back. Okay, so we've got the chili done here, and this is what it looks like. Consistency is about the same thickness as a chili. And then we've got the noodles over there for those who are not on keto, which means my husband and my daughter.
I'm Pacey.
I poured a little bit of the chili in there. Can you turn around, Laura, please? Laura, can you please turn around?
Pacey.
Your name is Laura, and here's your chili
TV?
with your noodles. Okay, go ahead and taste it and let me know if you like it or not.
I like it.
You like it?
That was easy.
Was it easy to make? Yeah? Do you want to make it again? Yeah? Are you hungry? You want more, please? Well, you got to finish that first. All right, everyone. She is just like a drama queen. Anyway, she's given the thumbs up approval. So, everyone, let me know if you try the recipe, if you like it. Please comment below. You like it? Okay. And this is good to make when it's snowing outside. Okay, say bye-bye. Can you tell them to come back again? All right. Bye-bye. Bon appetit. Hi, my name is Laurie, and this is Laura, and we have a cooking show called Laurie and Laura. And if you would like to watch our videos, if you could subscribe up here, and if you like what you see, then down here is the links to watch more videos. We hope you like it and are entertained. Have a good day.